It is hair weekend, and I just made my youngest daughter's hair, and it's twist, but it's made like cornrows, and I'm about to make my oldest daughter's hair, and tomorrow is gonna be my turn. So let's get into it. I have something I'm about to say while I make this hair and why I'm passionate about making my daughter's hair and helping them make their own hair. So let's get into it. This is my youngest daughter, and some of you don't know that before her first birthday, her hair was falling off, so I cut her hair off and we started afresh. And look at the length of her hair now. So our hair is all twist, and sometimes I just leave it like that and I put beads on it. But this time around, I decided to make it into cornrow style and also tucking in our ends. And let me tell you, if you're a motherhood made me to start making my daughter's hair. I mean, I'm the only daughter of my parents, and I have six brothers, so I didn't know how to make hair from anywhere. My mom didn't used to make my hair, but I made up my mind to learn how to beautify my children's hair and understand African hair. Let me tell you, your African hair is more than hair. It is heritage, strength, creativity, and pride woven into every strand. So after making the hair, I decided to style it. Isn't it beautiful? Very cute and decent and neat. The ends are all tucked in, and this is how she's gonna rock her hair. She's in kindergarten and her hair is beautiful. She told me this week that someone said, "Dang, your hair is pretty," and it is. This is my oldest daughter's hair, and here I'm putting in hair oils and I'm using it to massage her scalp. So her hair is very thick and full, and I am using all natural homemade organic products on her hair and also on my hair as well. So here I use it to massage her scalp, and then I will go in with leave-in conditioner. Please do me a favor and give this video a like. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you so much for your support. And if you are wondering, what products do you use on our hair? If you followed this channel for a while, you'll see that I have those products in my channel, and these are the products on the screen, and they are very good in promoting hair growth, in promoting healthy environment for hair to thrive. So in this video, I'm going to share with you a little bit of my journey, my love for hair, and how I came about with making my own hair product for my girl's hair. So this is my oldest daughter. Look at that hair. And now she's in a stage where she lay her ages, and which is fine. She's a teenager. And this is her hair. And let me tell you, I can make any style of hair using her natural hair when people feel that the only way it can be beautiful is using fake hair. So I don't encourage any fake hair in our house, because it is proven scientifically that extensions, synthetic hair, or fake hair harms our body, and she wears her hair all the time. This is fake hair and this is my daughter's hair, and this is to tell you that you can make any style with your natural hair. And this is this little girl with fake hair, and this is my little girl with our own natural healthy looking hair, and I make it in different style. This is braids, the one before was twist, and this is also a lemonade braids made with fake hair, and this is my daughter, lemonade braids made with her natural hair. Isn't that gorgeous? So I've been making her hair right from when she was a baby. Now she's a teenager. And this is bohemian cornrow made with her natural hair compared with bohemian cornrow made with synthetic braiding hair. Isn't it gorgeous and beautiful? I mean, I love it. What about you? I hope you like it too. And it fits her very well. And this is braids, and this is me rocking my braids with my youngest daughter and twinning with her. And in our house, we are team natural, so we love natural hair. So just to show you a little of my handwork, or you can call it genius, and let me tell you, African hair is very versatile. Every coil, and kink is uniquely yours. It defies gravity, it holds shape, it commands presence. It is versatile enough to be soft and regal today, bold and free tomorrow. There is magic in that versatility. That is African hair for you. So, here I've started making her hair. It's the style that she wanted. Twist at the back and cornrow in the front, and you're gonna see how it turns out. So my journey with making my daughter's hair began with me. It began with my trauma. How, you know, my mom used to kind of like say mean things to me when it comes to my full head of hair, and that didn't used to make me feel proud of myself. That didn't used to make me happy. And that is why parents have a powerful influence on their children, and they are not supposed to bully their children, because I was bullied, and that didn't sit well with me. That didn't make me to love my natural hair, which is why I was intentional about my daughter's hair, making sure that the product that they use is healthy, it supports their body, because let me tell you, what you put on your skin matters. The hair in your head has a scalp, and when you put something that hurts your health, it will not allow the hair to thrive and to grow the way it's supposed to. So, as a parent now, this my oldest daughter, I started making her hair at the age of 6 months old, and I started, twisting my hands and making mistakes and trying and just twisting anything I want to do on her head. It was a learning process for me. And like I said, I'm the only girl in my father's house, and I didn't know how to make my hair. But mother would afford me the opportunity to learn from my daughter's heads. So I started learning from her head, and now I have two daughters. So I'm like, a professional at this point, because I can make any style. I mean, when she goes to school, people will be surprised. Wow, did your mom do this free of charge? And they kind of like say your mama has a magic hands to her. And she feels proud. She is happy that she can make any style. I can make any style on her natural hair. And that makes me feel happy that I am also helping her to love her hair the way it is. And that is also what parents are supposed to help their children to do. They're supposed to help their children to love their hair and to celebrate their natural hair the way God made it. Here we are done with this side. We're going to move on to the other side. Please take a moment and give this video a like. Subscribe to the channel for more. Thank you so much for your support. Let me tell you, as a parent, your job is to be the support system for your child. Your job is to support them in their growth phase, be it hair or puberty in general. You are supposed to be a support system to your child, because my mama, she wasn't supportive to me. Even as a teenager, I'm a heavy-chested woman, and as a young girl, it used to be embarrassing to me. But my mom didn't help at all. She made fun of me, and I wasn't proud of myself and my beauty. And also, my hair too, she didn't help at all. She used to say I have a big head instead of her saying I have a head full of hair. So I made up my mind to be intentional about helping my daughters and my sons in every phase of their life, to make sure that they are confident in the color of their skin, they are confident in the hair that grows out of their scalp, they are confident in their life, because people bully black people already for their natural hair. I mean, making it feel unprofessional. And in a world that once tried to define beauty too narrowly, wearing your natural hair is an act of confidence. It says, I honor who I am. I celebrate where I come from. I embrace how I was made. So nourish your hair, adore your hair, protect it, and let it flourish. So your crown is not just worn, it is grown. So I've also learned to take care of my daughter's hair. And like I said, my youngest, I started from the very beginning, and look at her hair now. And my oldest too, I have been taking care of her hair, and I've been helping her to see the beauty in the versatility of African hair. Once again, liking this video so far, please give it a like, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Let me know how you are supporting your children and or yourself in making sure that you live with confidence and embrace your natural hair and rock it the way it is, because it is super amazing. Okay, so here we are done with the hair. This is the style: twist at the back and cornrow in the front. So she did a little style right there, and she did half up, half down. Isn't that gorgeous? And this is me. Guess what? She's also helping to make my hair. And you know what? One good turn deserves another. And as I can make her hair, she can also make mine. And that makes the work to be easy on me. So when I make our own, she also helps me to make mine, which is beautiful. So be the motivator and inspirator, lead right, model well, because your kids are gonna pick up after you. So she makes my hair and I make her hair, and with time she will start making her own hair and her younger sister's hair. So when you support and teach, you pass knowledge that will be helpful, and not only that, they learn it the right way. So learn to make your hair, learn to make your children's hair. And I make my hair most of the time. So at this point, I was the one making my hair, and they see that mommy can make her own hair and she can also make their hair too. So this video is about encouraging parents to be intentional, to learn to make African hair, to know how to take care of it, and also you can make your homemade product at home learning from this channel. Once again, give this video a like, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And this is the finished result. Isn't that gorgeous? Here's my oldest daughter. I mean, by the time she's done with laying those edges, it's gonna look gorgeous. Isn't she beautiful? Let me tell you, your crown is not just worn, it is grown. So take care of your hair and love on yourself. So this is me. Thank you so much for watching this video. Give it a like. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and I will talk to you in my next video. Take care.